Buy a fully ripe peach from store and take out its pit. The actual seed is inside the pit. To crack open the peach seed, lightly hit on the sharp side of the pit with a hammer. Do not hit the round side. It will break the seed. Soak the seeds in water for 24 hours. Throw away any floating seed. It is unlikely to germinate. The peach seeds need stratification to simulate suitable conditions to break dormancy and germinate. This is done by putting them in cold environment in fridge for a couple of months. The seeds may germinate without this step if the peaches in the store have come from cold storage, but you never know. So this step will ensure success. Wrap the seeds in a kitchen paper towel or tissue paper and spray some water on it. Enclose in a Ziploc bag or in a polythene sheet. Check the seeds every 2 weeks to see if the peach seeds germination has started. Throw away any seeds that develop fungus. Change the paper if it becomes black. The seeds will take 1 to 3 months to sprout. It is now 2 months and some of the seeds have sprouted in the fridge. Now plant the germinated seed in the soil. For this, take a small pot having drainage holes. Mix some river sand and compost or cow manure in the soil and fill the pot with this soil mixture. The sand makes the soil free draining and the compost adds nutrition. Plant the germinated seed 1 inch deep in soil and water. Place in shade at a warm place. Keep soil moist. The seedling will grow in a few days. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching.